We both do it. Symphony in B flat minor.
Let's see. Where do you blow?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Ta-da!
Play the lonesome cowboy. I'm gonna play the lonesome lowrider. Yeah. Okay. I got no pants. I got no pants. My pants are falling down. They're gonna fall, they're gonna fall, they're gonna fall. I got my pants. They're gonna fall. I hate my pants are gonna fall and I'm gonna be tall.
Right, I dropped the cow. Oh, I like you're very gentle. That's so nice. They put it way underneath all that soil so it won't freeze. Hi, Drew. You want some shade?
Would you like to ride one of those, Matt?
Hey, Matt, look in here. Look in here.
No, don't take pictures of this.
Hi guys.
So it's through history and English. They're pretty flexible about how you design the program.
Whoa, rice.
Yeah, it's fun. I can specialize.
Does the market determine that or your interest?
Not your interests. For some people it might be the market, but for me it was my interest. I'm more interested in education. So I took a course in natural resources too. Just because we're taught an interpretation course, so yeah, it's all different things you can do. It's pretty flexible. That's one of the reasons I came over here.
How many programs are like this in the U.S.?
There's none like this. There's none with the historical farm, but there are lots of other museum programs. There are a lot of museum programs in Boston, but I did my undergraduate there and I wanted to see something different. So I made the farm type. No, it wasn't her cat, but she.
Okay.
Jay begged us for an encore. And she's like, what the heck?
He got down on his hands and knees and begged us for an encore, so, okay. We do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! Bravo!
Here is our new hot tub, Matt. It
It's specially designed for 13-year-olds. No, not 13, for 9-year-olds. But it's also fitting for 13-year-olds and over 40-year-olds. And during the last 3 days, we've had at least 6 or 8 sessions in the hot tub. In fact, I had to pull Matt out yesterday because he wanted to stay in there and he wanted to sleep. He wanted to put his sleeping bag there last night. Last Sunday, why, it was Jason's birthday, so everyone was out here, and then after they left, why, I was down watching TV and a big windstorm came up and blew half of our acre and a third right into here. So there was about 6 inches of dirt at the bottom. And so we decided mud wrestle, we would drain it out. So Matt and I drained
And
it
we
out.
had a mud bath. And when it was all drained out, there's still mud, so we went.
People pay big bucks for those mud baths.
So Matt and I drained it out Monday morning. And now it's clean and pure.
All right.
Where'd you come from?
I said like a baby.
Should you like that baby too?
That's blue.
Okay, what's in there?
Honey, I'm baby dog.
That's it. Oh, that is so nice.
I should like a new baby. I should be like a baby. Because I was hoping it was a girl baby.
It was.
That's just what I want.
You can run the video if you don't shoot me until after I've had a shower.
Give her sugar water and stuff.
I don't think so.
It's just.
You're getting too close to your and then when you're getting better.
Drill. She's learning fast. Yeah. What it's like to have 2 big brothers.
Come over here and see me, Sam. Come sit. You want to sit right here beside me?
Sam doesn't know quite what that.
Okay, Sam, can you tell me what your baby's name is?
Read.
Reed.
Drew, don't touch. Don't
And
touch.
how many days old is she?
1 day.
1 day?
Drew, do not touch. Drew.
And were you hoping for a boy baby or a girl baby?
A girl baby.
And can you show me how long she is with your hands? How long is she? Is that your baby sister? What's her name?
Read.
Can you say, yeah. Is she beautiful?
I should have.
Right, we only have one float.
Oh.
Reed's first pictures.
Does she have big hands?
Debbie and
Actually, did she say, hi, Sam?
Hi, baby.
Ah, I heard her say, hi
Hi,
there,
Scoopy
Grandma Jen.
baby.
How you doing?
Isn't that cute? That's a cute little sister, huh?
I like a little baby.
Yeah, he was so excited, weren't we, to see her, huh?
I
Hi,
hope it was
baby.
a girl baby.
Yeah,
baby.
just like
Good.
love
Where did this baby come from, Sam?
She came from mommy.
Does mommy's tummy is as big as it was?
Yeah. No.
No, it's very tiny now, isn't it? No, don't touch your eye, okay? Be very careful.
Okay, I won't touch her eye.
What is it?
She's
Oh, way over here. Right in the corner.
yellow white. She did.
Did you sneeze, tiny baby? Did you sneeze?
She didn't
Not
say
gonna
it.
nail
Ooh.
She just opened her mouth.
And she can sneeze already.
That's the way she's big.
I
Chocolate
get it.
kind of like that.
Put me together because her tummy used to be connected to mommy's tummy so that the baby could eat. That's how the baby ate through that little hole in her stomach.
It looks like a stop sign, doesn't it?
Do you like to touch your baby's sister? She's so nice. Hi, baby. Hi.
So many things not to touch and dry. No, it's marvelous. Good job.
You're a good baby. One has 23 and one has 24. Like 4.
Look like a newborn.
No, she doesn't.
She's like a 2-week-old. How come her eyes were even open? I didn't think babies opened their eyes for the first time.
That's cats, isn't it?
Yeah,
Rose right there.
she's really
Flowers and
shaped
banging.
has changed a lot since yesterday.
Oh, it has.
It was like
Oh,
You
was
didn't-
it?
yeah.
See, I didn't really get to see the baby.
don't touch her mouth, okay? Because your hands are those germ because you're both in your nose. And why don't we guys go for the walks and Jan and Jake and see the baby?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you don't need to do that. Let's go for a little walk and then we'll come back and see the baby.
That's amazing. Yes. You are. You are.
Let's go down and see that. We'll be back.
Dark hair. Hello. Hello. You can say hi, Grandpa. Oh, that's good. You got the sneeze. Got the sneeze. Oh, look at that. Are you very wise? Are you very wise? Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you're very wise. Oh, you're looking at Jay. You're looking at Jay. She's very beautiful.
Darling. Hey, you gonna make those little funny noises for us? You gonna make those little funny noises? You're so cute. You are. Do you want to see? See Jay. Say hi, Jay. Say hi to Jay. Say hi to Jay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah, you're very precious.
They feed you around here. Yours just get it automatically.
What's that?
So she's used to just getting it automatically.
That's right. Thought about that.
On demand.
Put her little hand just a second. Put her.
Yeah.
There. Pretty girl. Here come your brothers.
Some of your rowdy brothers.
Well, you can't believe how mellow they're being.
But you're gonna have to be tough to compete with those guys.
Ah, I know how it is. I had 3 brothers. Huh, great. Huh.
I'll have you jumping off the roof and playing commandos. Yeah.
Catherine.
Should have known Catherine. That's right. She shakes. It's tight like handcuffs. It's amazing how they instinctively, it's sucky instinct. For a while.
See, and she wanted to buy candy for her yesterday, and I said, well,
What does she look like?
she can't have it. And she said, well, does she have her mouth?
Don't tell her.
Yeah, I see some resemblances to Sarah.
Oh, look, she's opening
When she
her
kind of
eyes.
opens her eyes and smiles a little bit.
Jan came up, I think, and then was falling so
Oh, sorry. She says, look at all these kids staring at me.
Well,
Just look at those cute cheeks.
science, English.
Her hair's soft.
Yeah, we were lucky.
Oh.
My daily plan.
We were gonna make it. We were on the third row.
My dad called.
So we just got in like 5 minutes.
Did she ever cry?
Tell me what dress, you know. Yeah, I came 5 here.
Here, I'll let you go.
Come up here and get a close. Honestly,
If you want that. He's really free. He works with a walker.
Hey, can she get out and sit on the counter with us? Can she get out? Can we hold her? Sure. Can we hold her, Donna? Okay, okay.
I gotta go first.
All 3 cars hanging.
Oh,
does she like? Does she like it?
It'll be a
She's like, is she 10 pounds?
She's 10 pounds, 4 ounces.
Oh, well, thank you for clearing
That's
that
what I told my teacher. She said, the spelling word to my baby is cute. My baby. Look at that baby.
And she's 3 days old, right?
3 lines.
Is that right, Donna?
Just think of the entrance in Temple Square there on the north side.
Look at that cute.
Went all the way down to Morris Temple, the main street, and bring the baby down so she could babysit.
Oh, she's taking it out of
Is it Catherine's turn? Okay, yes. Dave, get a picture of this.
Gosh. Is this what happened when I was a baby?
Yeah.
Except no kid.
But there weren't as many people,
There weren't as many
at
kids
least on this side of the family.
Yep.
Oh, is she sweet? Yeah.
She's really mellow. She just kind of sleeps and looks around and eats.
Yeah, does she try out any? A lot?
No.
Some?
Only if like it
bathed
take
her?
too long to. No, you have to wait till the belly button.
Oh, was that?
Yeah, she might give a whale.
Eyes open wide.
I don't know what to do with it.
She got a mohawk.
The nurses have little
Baby,
children
can I hold her now?
Pull it up so it looks like a girl.
Okay, now it's Matt's turn.
Okay.
Oh.
Picture of Matt.
How cute. Oh.
Look out, Matt's a good sleepy.
Can I hold you, Sam?
Yeah. Wait.
Do you want to hold her, honey?
Yes,
No.
I am.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Oh, stick your tongue at me just like that.
Time out.
Sit down.
Who has a bigger head?
Okay, now wait, wait, wait. Now,
That thing.
cousin Jason, do you have, put your arm down and pray to her. There.
So what time did you get home last night?
I've gone through all these babies, remember?
So you came at 7
Okay,
something? or-
Sam, come over here so that,
7:25.
What, Delta or Morse?
Silly baby.
Oh, didn't work out very well.
Isn't she
I'm
cute?
gonna hold her again.
Okay, just let cousin Jason.
Baby's got gas.
She did it.
You guys would.
She's smiling. She's smiling. She's smiling. She's like,
You know what I mean? I think
You gotta wait till let everyone hold it.
afterwards, you know.
Dave said it wasn't good for Debbie to be around this baby.
Oh, well, definitely more. It really does say that I can't.
You get kind of tired of saying that.
I'm not used to being you know what I mean? I'm not used to being
And that's here, say, can you do me a favor? Don't, Kevin.
I like your hair, Catherine. That's a cute hairdo.
That cute?
It was the hot tub hairdo. Because she was in the hot tub, so I just stuck it up, so it wasn't.
Blow really hard, okay?
We just. Okay.
Oh, stretch.
Is that weird to be like awake? Deb Heather, she's actually knocked her out.
It's like if you go to, like when you go to
Try to
the
help
hospital, but you can still kind of come and touch you.
Yeah.
Here, wait.
Are you seeing what they're doing?
No, there's a little screen.
That
Oh,
was
you
too
don't
much.
I was gonna say that. Okay, I didn't understand.
They put a little apron kind of up like this, don't they, Donna?
It looks like it's like a big sheet or something.
Was
Well,
it?
Steve can see, but
You know, I've never. He saw everything. They didn't put any, of course, for me, I was away asleep, so he saw everything.
Saw it. The first pet.
I wonder if you could tickle a baby.
And I wondered how that would feel to be numb. See, wasn't numb. I was just
I thought
out.
it sounds kind of gross.
It wasn't weird, Donna.
Harry Krishna.
It's blurry, Jay. It's like big time blurry.
Blurry? Oh, I know there was a Star Trek like this.
There's that one where Riker and some other guys were taken in their sleep and they were dissected and they're clicking.
That was on the other night. Remember we were trying to recreate the table in the operating room?
Okay, here we go. This is our stage up here, guys.
It's not focusing.
Huh?
It's not focusing.
Let's see.
It's recording.
I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big heart and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Alright, yeah.
I love you. You love me. We're best friends as friends should be. With a great big heart and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Yay!
Encore!
Okay, Teensy Weensey's next. Teensy Weensy spider climbed up the water top. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Okay, sing big time.
I
I love you.
you
love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Okay, we're gonna sing Jingle Bells.
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Woo! Okay, take hands, guys. And we all bow together.
Wow.
Okay, applause.
Hot tub room. Okay, now could you hear?
So you
I could hear you,
send,
but it was
but not
really
sing?
staticky.
I can do both if
Oh.
I learn how to do it. That's the capability. I just have to do it.
Here. I'm gonna go.
You have to learn.
Call up and do something weird. Hello,
Yeah, big
Jason,
band.
where are you?
I don't know if it's just them or here. And so in any
Where? I can't hear
application
you.
I'm in, or even in the desktop, there's always that fax menu.
Okay,
And
bye.
just take whatever's on the screen and send
And
it
it
out.
goes over and interfaces with the stack software that you've got. That may be a different application.
Whatever you said,
The
it
fax
will
set software is always accessible.
Okay.
I mean, it's when you do that pull down menu, it says.
Okay, that's the way this one would work. And then, Drew, now, what I'm curious about though is say,
Okay.
like I do something
I'm
out
turning
of
it off.
Word, and I have, different
Jay, are you and
fonts
Jen
and
gonna keep
shading
code
and
names for each
It's
other?
not,
it's
it's
sending
not
the picture, not the file.
ASCII or
Oh, is
It's
whatever.
not like it would be if you went over your modem, say.
Me and Jay were talking, weren't we, Jay?
Well, it does go
Well,
sort of.
over, okay,
And I was talking
okay,
to
but not like you
somebody else.
do sending a file, like on an email.
Listen, but you guys call it, but then on top of that, you can buy optical character recognition programs, which take the picture and change it back into
Jason, get her,
editable
get her.
text.
Jason,
Yeah.
Jason.
No.
Daisy, she was just about to fall.
Catherine, sit down on your bottom. Okay?
Was this mine? Yes, I think I can do it automatically. I mean, just push a button and then it'll turn on the switch to the modem
Talk to Daddy about that.
and
Your hair got really
send.
That's
Okay, but if you're receiving.
I mean receive.
I want
some ways I'm glad she did.
just
Okay.
It's like I have to drive it. So then, but Charlene, my friend.
Okay, here we go.
And can you go wipe your mouth?
So how did you know about it? Is this
I've known nobody since Jason was born. And like I sent her a birth announcement when Catherine was born. And she called me 9 months later and said, I have one more opening for Catherine.
Oh, is that right?
And she said, if you don't take it now, it's gone.
That's how we signed Sam up for this laboratory school at the university. They had 2 different things. And when we first moved there, he was 2. And we called this.
Give it this one last
she's snoring. Hey, let's say, Catherine is snoring. It's raining, it's pouring. Catherine is snoring. Raining, it's pouring. Catherine is snoring.
She bumped her head and couldn't wake up in the morning.
She bumped her head and couldn't wake up in the morning. Whoa! Is she awake? She's not sleeping. Okay.
I went to school.
Oh, you did? Tell me what you did.
I just had to
Pretty
do
hair with a bow on it.
homework.
You have to do homework. You have to do homework.
I forgot my pictures.
Did she have some pictures?
Yeah, she is. You got pictures for the baby.
What?
No, you got pictures for the
Oh,
baby.
okay.
No, you're
She's
not.
got some pictures for the baby.
No,
Ooh.
Jesus, one sentence.
Who's that guy back there? I think there's some guy back there. I think his name is Johnny. Is it Johnny up there?
Oh, la la. No, it's Sam.
It's Sam. I didn't think it's Sam. I didn't think it was Sam.
Hi, Catherine.
Is he like?
Sure. So, get your homework done.
Oh, Margarita, Catherine shall have a new master. She shall get but a penny a day because she can't work any faster. Okay, you sing with us while I do Sam.
It's
Come on,
my
Sam.
telephone. Can I do it? Can I do it?
I'll do it, okay, Catherine?
Okay, here we go. Seesaw, Margarita, Sam shall have a new master. He shall get but a penny a day because he can't work any faster. Okay, Drew, come on. Here we go, big time. Seesaw, Margarita, Drew shall have a new master. He shall get but a penny a day because he can't work any faster. Huh?
Kid.
You can again?
Yeah.
Okay. Seesaw, Margarita, Drew shall have a new master.
Put that down, please, Sam.
He shall get a penny a day because he can't work any faster.
Okay.
Hey, how about you guys go like this and do a little picture close together in the picture? Oh, I'm not. Go like this, like your arm around each other. Can you put your arm around each other, take a picture and smile? Hey, Drew. It's like, well, the
Takes
first
the
one's
red
to
out of
get
the
your
eyes.
attention. I say, well, you know, it's a bit of purpose, but I say, the first one to get your attention. The second one's the real thing.
Oh, I've heard they do that. It prevents the red eye thing somehow. Don't ask me how.
How the
Okay.
picture going?
Oh, goody. This is what they
Does it?
The
Do
one
you
it
have red
does is
eyes?
she had her eyes open. She had her eyes open, and the first flash went on.
Mommy, Mommy,
That's the picture.
Mommy, I'll show you first half okay? But I won't open it. It's this copy.
That's how it prevents it.
Snoopy copy.
Yeah, you should just get eyelids instead of any eyes.
Look.
That's
Coolorama,
Sure.
Duty Meister.
Alright.
You know what? Taking the picture. I wonder how many.
Oh, wow.
I still have a whole chunk of my meal left.
I don't know.
These things had so much alcohol.
Thanks,
That's that
What's this thing?
It's from M&M. Yeah, that's from, that's from John.
Oh, that's cute. We don't have any things like that.
That is cute.
Anything with roses in it.
Peach.
That's real cute.
Thank you. Let's see
Oh, that's. So you can't hand me down now. That's.
That was that one. I like found the lunch and then I dashed into emergency.
Jan?
Please tell me.
Yeah,
about
here
the
are some
fire.
big guys.
It's my breakfast this time.
Yeah, a lot of big guys.
Okay.
We're up to church.
That one is from Janet.
That just means we have another deduction come.
The great mega pretty.
What is it, Drew?
What did Drew get?
I wonder.
Our window.
What is it, Drew? The Thomas Taken Him book. See?
Oh, good. Oh, who are those from? You?
This is my book.
Those we got those free at DCMI.
Thank
Mom sent that to you. That is so nice. Aunt Nancy sent that to me. And Xander and Dusty.
Oh, wow. Oh, my.
Ooh, baby.
Turn off the video. I love the Debbie line.
Here's the snowblower. Clearing the
Earlier,
path.
the way she's going.
People
That's
and
cute.
vehicles.
It is.
Where
Is the snowman? Telephone.
Feminine, just little
There.
things like, you know, little, not dresses, but little playthings
Which
to
one
like,
is the tow truck?
except for when Debbie did it, so that's cute.
Spaghetti.
Oh, that white one she did. Oh, cute.
Oh,
Oh
that's
my goodness, this is
adorable.
huge.
Yeah, it's too cute.
But I thought she'd probably be still wearing it this spring and, you
It's
know.
only 6
Yeah.
months.
That's
She probably did look.
Yeah,
the book.
Oh, that's for the over 10
Your
pounds.
whole house.
That's real cute, thank you.
I'll pick today. I'll be
So nice to wear.
Is that John?
Wow.
Oh my God. Yeah, she said, right. She has one like that for Dustin. She just loves it. And she said,
She gave Barbara a
found
balloon.
out it was a girl. I ran down and got one.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
baby beluga.
Oh, that's nice.
Crack up, huh?
Baby beluga.
The Rappy collection.
That's a song that
Baby
Should we wrap? Just serve the ice cream.
Guest of honor here.
So let's see, she's, what?
10.
10 days
old. Oops, that went Sorry. Sorry, Reed.
Oh, what a cute yawn.
Be careful when you ice cream.
So we have 1, 2, 3. Really?
Yes.
All right.
Lovely.
That's already overcry.
That's the first time I've heard her cry.
I'll take a little ice cream.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Look up and say chocolate.
Chocolate balls on candy bar. Chocolate.
Hi, Drew. Do you have a new baby sister, Drew?
Chocolate. Candy bar.
All right.
I want water, please. I want water, please, Daddy.
There you go.
3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. She cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as 3 blind mice? Yay!
Yellow car.
Keep singing, guys.
Hey guys,
I love you and I'll sing it.
Okay, here we go. Go sit by your Aunt Sandra and sing A, B, C, D, okay?
Hey.
Wait a minute, okay. I goofed. Okay, here we go.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I learned my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Good song. Hello, sweet Reed. Hello, baby. Can you smile? Can you make her, you talk to her and see if she'll smile.
He just like Sam.
She like when Sam's little. Sam, come over and talk to her and see if you can make her smile. Can you? We love you, don't you?
She wants her
Look at that. Where's your candy? Did you get some candy?
Where did you go get the candy? Did you go to Johnny's house?
Yep.
Did you?
Where else did you go?
That's all I need.
Where?
I don't
Drew,
know.
do you like chocolate?
Nah.
What is your bib for, Drew?